Assalamu alaikum students. I am your teacher Aisha Anwar. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your computer classes. We are studying PowerPoint and we have learned to create a new PowerPoint presentation, and in previous lecture we have also learned about how to apply transition and animation, and we all know about the difference between transitions and animations. In today's lecture, we will learn some more concepts from Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope all of you will practice it and share your slides with me. I will also be explaining you some extra concepts outside from your book. They will be helpful for you. Okay class, let's start today's lecture. In previous lectures, I have explained you to select the ready-made templates that are already available in Microsoft PowerPoint, but you can create your own. Okay, now let me tell you the difference between the template and the available themes. For example, if I am going to select some ready-made style, let's say I'm going to select this purple one, simply click on it. So for this template, these 4 different themes are available. If I'm going to use this purple one, it will use these color schemes for the text, for subheadings, and for other things. Same template is also available in this green theme. It will be using these color schemes that are shown over here. This template is also available in this blue theme and this orange theme. So it is a template, and this template is available in these 4 different themes. If you like some template, you can select, but if you don't like any template, you can design your presentation according to your requirement. For that purpose, you have to select the blank presentation. Now, this is the blank presentation with simple white background and simple black text over them. Now, how you can design your slides? Simply go to this design tab. Here on this right corner, you can see the option format background. I am selecting it. Okay, here it is giving me some options how I am going to design. First one is solid fill. If I want to solid fill the background color, here I need to select the color. For example, if I want to select this light peach color, simply the color of complete slide will be changed, or you can select any other color according to your requirement. Then the second option is gradient fill. Simply select the gradient fill. Here you can select the color. Okay, let's select this green. Okay, now you can see that previously it was just white and blue. Now my slide background color has changed to green and this blue one. This blue is the previous color which I selected from the solid fill, and then the ingredient fill. It is showing me the shades. Okay, here you can see the option gradient stops. Using this option, like you can notice that I can completely change my slide color. You can select the color area according to your requirement. You can also add more than one colors over here. Select the color or the theme you want to add. So you can create by using this option very colorful and very attractive backgrounds. So solid color was the complete one color. The gradient fill is the shades of different colors you want to apply. Here you can see the option reset background. For example, if you don't like it, simply press the reset background and you can see again this white slide has appeared. So it means all the changes that you have made are undone. So just select whatever you like. Okay, the third option over here is picture or texture fill. If I have clicked on this option, you can see the option texture. I am going to it. It is showing me the list of some texture. Texture means the patterns or some fixed designs. So it is showing me the different texture. You can select according to your need. Usually we select the texture that on which writing is visible so that we can make a presentation which is readable from some distance when we deliver that presentation. For example, if I'm going to select this brownish background, you can notice that the text written over it with this black color is not that much readable. So we have to select the pattern or texture or the colors, even colors of a background and the text color, so that they can be easily readable. Okay, now you can see the difference. I have selected the texture of this light color, and it is the text over it is more readable now. Okay, the fourth option is pattern fill. It is showing me the different patterns like these lines, broad lines, straight lines, dots, like this. You can also select the colors of the background. For example, it is giving me the option foreground and background. Simply select the color, whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to apply in this so that you can feel the difference. Let me select this purple one. Okay, now you can see the difference. Or you can also select the other color, like with purple we will be selecting, let's say yellow. I am going to select this vibrant color so that you can see the difference. This yellow with the purple, although it is not that much readable, you have to select the colors and the patterns or texture so that we will be have a good readability of our slides. Again, if you want to apply this to all the slides, simply select apply to all. Or if you want to select the reset background, if you don't like it, you want to again reset the background, you can simply select the reset background. So these are the different options which are available, using which you can also design your slides. Okay, here I am going to teach you one more concept of header and footer. Okay, I'm going again select this one, this template, so that I will show you the new concept of header and footer. Any text or anything which appears on the top of this slide is known as the header, and anything which appears at the bottom of the slide is known as the footer. So usually we insert slide numbers or the chapter name or some information which we want to be appear on each and every slide. Okay, I'm going to create and then show you. PowerPoint. In subtitle, I'm going to write header and footer. So add some new slides. Header appears at the top of slide. I'm going to make the font size bigger so that it may be more clear to you when you watch this video. I'm going to create another slide. Footer appears at the bottom of slide. Okay, now if you have noticed that this red zigzag line is appeared over here, this red zigzag line shows that while typing I have done some spelling mistake. Either you can correct it manually or simply by right clicking on this word, you can see that it is giving me the suggestion for the correct spelling. Simply you can select the correct spellings. The font size was 44, so again I'm going to change its font size. Okay, like this. So now I'm going to insert header and footer. Simply go to the insert option. In insert tab, you can see the option header and footer. Select this. Okay, here it is asking me to add date and time. If I want to add date and time, or I want to show the slide number, and in footer I will write computer science by SAA. Now here again you can see the two options, apply or apply to all. Normally the header and footer are applied to all these slides, so simply select apply to all. Okay, in this template here you can see that as this is the title slide, so here you can see the slide number in the header and the footer is appeared on this side. But in these next slides you can see that the slide number is appeared in header and the text computer science by SAA is appeared in the bottom. Again, I have done some typing mistake while writing it. The spelling of science is wrong. Apply to all. Now, if you see I'm going to insert a new slide, it will automatically be written on those. So this is the slide number 4. I don't have written anything on this slide, but this slide number is appearing in header by default, and the footer computer science by SAA is already written on it. So by simply using this, you can add your details. I can also add a chapter name over here, chapter number, or the topic that is under discussion, or the topic about which you are going to make the presentation. You can add any details over here. Okay, in insert tab, there are some other options. Like we have discussed header and footer. There are some other options. Here you can see the option shapes. I hope you will enjoy it. In shapes, there are so many shapes that are available. You can simply select any shape and draw it on your slides. For example, I am going to select some triangle. Simply select and then draw by pressing the left key of your mouse. Simply drag the mouse downwards while holding the left button of your mouse. Simply you can draw the shapes. Here you can see that the options shape, fill. You can change the color of the shape. Let's select it, this one, shape outline. In shape outline you can also select the outline size. Okay, now if you right click the shape, I'm going to right click it. Here you can see the option edit text. Now you can write anything in the shape. I am writing the word triangle. Again, you can increase the font size. With the same way, you can change the font color so that it will be more visible, easily visible. You can change like this. By using again this option, you can draw the different shapes that are required during the presentation. Okay, I have drawn this smiley. When you draw this smiley, these options appear automatically to select the color of the shape and the rest of the options. If these options are not available for the formatting of the shape, simply double click over here. When you double click on the shape, you will see this menu. Okay, here different theme styles are available. You can select the theme style, or you can simply change the color, any of the color, or usually the smileys appear in yellow color, so I'm going to make it yellow if yellow is available. Yes, it is available. No, this is the outline color. I'm going to change the shape fill. So it is very easy and very interesting. You can draw the shapes and write your names in it. It is very much interesting. Here I'm going to tell you one more thing. From insert tab, simply comes to the insert tab. We have discussed about the shapes. Now the next option is SmartArt. It is very much interesting and it makes our slides very readable, and it gives very interactive look to our slides. You can see that there are some built-in SmartArts are given. I'm going to select any of this to show you. We have already used it in a previous lecture. For example, anything, which one is more appealing? This one. Okay, let's select it. Okay, yes. This is the SmartArt. It is used to represent data in more effective way. There are many options available. Use of SmartArt. interesting, whatever you want to write, colorful, easy. Once you create this smart art, you can change the styles. Like now it is appearing in some 3D design. I hope you find it interesting, and you can also change the color. Let's make it more colorful. Some different style. Hmm. Okay, I hope all of you are liking it. Now, let's come to the first slide. Here, I am going to explain to you about slide and slideshow. These are the slides. The individual pages or the individual segment of Microsoft PowerPoint is called slide. Like in MS Word, we have different pages, but in Microsoft PowerPoint, we have different slides. And these slides make a single presentation. Use of shapes. I have missed the heading, so I'm going to put it now. Use of shapes. Okay, after creating these slides, you have to run the slideshow in order to present your slides. For presenting or for running slideshow, we have 2 or 3 different ways to start the slideshow. You can see the symbol in this bottom corner. You can see the option slideshow, and here also in the top you can use this symbol for slideshow, and simply a shortcut key is written with it, F5. You can press F5 from your keyboard to start a slideshow. I am going to click over here. Then you can see the difference between this style which is appearing on the screen and the slideshow. When you start a slideshow, the slides that you have created appear on the full screen. Now they are ready to be present. So this is the first slide. For moving towards the next slide, simply press the mouse button, or you can use the arrow keys from your keyboard. So this is the third slide. I'm running the slideshow. This is the slideshow. This is the fourth slide, in which we have discussed use of shapes, and this is the fifth slide, use of SmartArt, and this is the last slide, as we have created only 5 slides. Now I am again going to press this bottom key from my keyboard. So here you can see the black screen here, which shows that this is the end of the presentation and end of the slideshow. So these are the individual slides, and we play those slides to see the slideshow. When we play them or when we run them, they make a slideshow. Over here we have discussed our lecture. So here is your today's task. These are the first 3 question answers from your exercise. In your exercise, question number 3 is about short question answers. So you have to do these first 3 question answers. Question number 1 is, what type of media objects are in multimedia presentations? These are the 5 objects that we can add in our multimedia presentation. These can be text. Text means numbers and letters. Letter means ABC. Sound. In our PowerPoint presentation, we can also add the sound. Sound is anything that is audible, which is hearable, anything which we can hear. Third thing is graphics and images. We can simply add the paintings, drawings, photos to our multimedia presentations. Then animations. Now you know about animations and the videos. We can also add videos to run in our slideshow. Here, question number 2 is about describe a slideshow in PowerPoint. We have discussed it. Slideshow means to display slides on full screen. A slideshow is done after a number of slides are made. In PowerPoint, while running a slideshow, all of the graphics, sound, transitions, animation are visible. As you have also seen the difference which I have described it. Question number 3, what is the theme in PowerPoint? So in PowerPoint, set of colors, text size, bullets, and visual effects that can apply to the slides in the presentation is called a theme. It is a quick way to enhance your presentation. Okay, class 7th, this is your task for today. You have to attempt these 3 short question answers in your neat notebook. I will also share the question answers in PDF form with you so that you can easily write the answers from your mobile phones. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Please try to create the presentations and share with me. Few students have tried it and they have done their job very well. If still you are having some confusions and queries, you can ask me. Thank you.